dear students, we can see construction of triangle. So three methodly we can construct the triangle. So method 1, first method. So method 1. If you when base, vertical angle and median given means how to construct the triangle. We can construct the triangle. We can see here base, vertical angle and median given means how to construct the triangle. So example 4.17. Construct triangle PQR in which what is the base PQ 8 cm and vertical angle 60 degree and the median RG from R to PQ. RG from R to PQ is median 5.8 centimeter given. So then you have to find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. So what is the length of the altitude? Length of the altitude. So what is the height? R to PQ. What is the height? You have to find altitude. You have to do construct. Now, so then we can find the solution. So what given? So given PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, then angle R, vertical angle 60 degree, then median 5.8 centimeter. So this type given means first method we can find base, vertical angle, median. So first you can find the rough diagram. What is the rough diagram? So approximately draw the one triangle. Draw one triangle. We can draw the one triangle. So median you have to consider. So what is the median? We can consider. So then we can use the name PQR triangle now. PQR. So in this median we can consider G. In this point we can consider G. So PQ is how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. PQ is 8 centimeter. Then angle R 60 degree. Angle R is 60 degree. Angle R is 60 degree. Then median. In this median what will be there? 5.8 centimeter there. 5.8 centimeter there. So then we can find what is the Fair diagram. What is the Fair diagram? We can construct now. So first to take here. So rough diagram roughly we did now. So there is no measurement. So but Fair diagram you have to take measure with a ruler or compass. You have to do construct now. So Fair diagram we can find here. So measure PQ is equal to, first you have to measure PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Line segment you have to do consider. I am approximately doing. You consider properly. 8 centimeter line segment. Take. Draw 8 centimeter line segment. So you can give name PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. After that, take the protector. Take the protector and first point what P. So place the compass in, place the protector in P. So reversely, you have to place correctly in this line. Here you have to place correctly. You have to place the. Then vertical angle what given? 60 degree. 60 degree given now. So you have to consider 60 degree where there. You have to assign acute angle now. 60 degree means acute angle. So 60 degree you have to assign. Then remove the So here reversely you have to keep the protractor and measure 60 degree. Measure 60 degree and remove the protractor and draw the line. So PN in this point correctly you have to place and draw the line. In this angle we can consider x. This angle we can consider x. So how much degree there? How much degree there? 60 degree angle. 60 degree angle we have to consider. So after that, take the protractor. So now in this line you have to keep. In this line you have to keep the protractor. In this line correctly you have to keep. In this point here you have to touch. In this line you have to keep protractor correctly. So 90 degree you have to check. After finding vertical angle you have to check 90 degree where there. Here you have to place. So 90 degree you have to assign. You have to assign 90 degree. You have to assign. After that, so take the ruler and draw that angle. What I am getting, draw that angle. This angle we can consider y. This angle we can consider y. So I am approximately only taking measurement and all. So here can't take now. So you correct where your shape sometime differently will come. So next, so take the compass, line segment, the right centimeter. So in that line segment, take more than f. Take more than f. Take more than f. Place the compass in P. More than f approximately. Cut on arc. Upon cut arc, down on cut arc. Then same more than f. Second point keep and cut on arc here and from this point down also on cut arc. Down also on cut arc. So first point keep more than half you take upon cut arc, then down on also cut arc. Then second point place the compass upon cut arc. Then same point on change down also on cut arc. So then take the ruler and towards the intersecting now. That point you have to correctly draw. So then after that, take the protractor and measure and see in this. Now look in this angle, in this altitude there, and this altitude, in this perpendicular bisector 90 degree there or not. You have to check. So 90 degree will get or else wrong. So take the protractor and measure and see 90 degree will get. After that you have to consider 90 degree sine. You have to consider 90 degree sine. So in this point to also intersecting that point you have to consider G. The point you have to consider G. So then here in this altitude and in this angle where intersecting in this place. This place intersecting that point you have to consider O. Intersecting point you have to consider O. So then take the compass. Take the compass. Place in O. Place in O. So touch and see. place in O, touch in P, touch in Q. Correctly will touch. Correctly will touch, or else wrong. Here 2 places also touch and see, correctly will touch. Then after that, so draw the circle. Okay, you can draw correctly. So here, so in this point from here you have to touch, here also you have to touch, and see, correctly will touch. So then only correct. Then after that you can draw the circle. So this circle name you have to consider H. The circle name you have to consider H. Any name you can give. So I am considering H. So then after that, so here before that 90-degree sign you have to do. Here 90 degree we took now. So 90-degree sign you have to consider here. 90-degree sign you have to do, consider here. So then after that, so after that you have to take the median. Median is 5.8 centimeter. So measure 5.8 centimeter with the compass and place in G. Place in G. Measure 5.8 centimeter. Place in G. Cut arc. Here one cut arc. Here one cut arc. Okay, place in G. Here one cut arc, and oppositely here also cut on arc. 5.8 centimeter. Then in this name PQ R. S. You can give R. S. Then so take the ruler. Take the ruler and you can join QS. You can join QS. No, sorry, QR. We can join QR and RP. You can join, then only we'll get one triangle now. You can join RP. Then, so what is the median? R from G. What is the median? What is the median? There. What is the median? So 5.8 centimeter there. R from G. 5.8 centimeter median there. So that you have to consider median, how much there, 5.8 centimeter. So if you measure and say means 5.8 centimeter you get. So median is 5.8 centimeter. Median is 5.8 centimeter. Then what is the angle R? Angle R. Take the protractor and measure and see in this step. Here measure and see. For you 60 degree will get. Here measure and see in this angle, this type keeping and measure and see. For you here 60 degree angle will get. 60 degree angle will get. 60 degree angle. Then after that what you find the length of the altitude from R to PQ. R to PQ, length of the altitude you have to find now. So length of the altitude here didn't measure. No. So how to do length of the altitude means, so oppositely, in this oppositely we have to increase on lines, increase the line segments. We have to increase the line segments. So in this line segment name we can consider L. In this line segment name consider L. Then take the compass. Take the compass in R. R from R to PQ. R to PQ. R to PQ. We have to find what is the altitude. What is the altitude you have to find. So take the compass in R. You have to check here touching, here cutting, arc cutting type you have to take. So no accurate value, approximately. Anywhere we can cut. Here cutting means here also we will cut. Here on arc cut. Here on an arc. Same one change, same measurement, one change. In this place keep. Here on cut arc. Then in this place you have to keep. Here we can keep. Then you can cut arc. Then remove the compass. So take the ruler and here from we can draw one line. Here from we can draw one line. So for you differently will get. Here from we can draw one line. So after that, take the protractor and measure and see. In this line we'll get 90 degree. This line is a perpendicular. This altitude 90 degree there. This altitude 90 degree there. So then this altitude name we can consider M. So then take the ruler and measure. So here from R to M. R to M. R to M. How much length there? R to M. How much length there? For example, for me 3.5 centimeter getting. 3.5 centimeter getting. So for you some differently will come. So here from approximately I did. So for you some difference in this side will come. So 9 degrees I am getting. So here from R from M, how much length? The 3.4 me 3.5. So for you 3.4, 3.5, 6 that and we get. So length of the altitude. Therefore, so length of the altitude. Length of the altitude is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. So in this way we can. So if they given base vertical angle, median units, we can construct the triangle.